Hello viewers, I am Dr. Sumina and today let us talk about 10 tips to protect women's health as they age. First, prioritize the bone health. We all know that as we age, as women, we tend to lose more of our bone mass than men. It is important to consume sufficient amount of calcium, vitamin D and regularly do weight bearing exercises to protect your bones. Second, maintain healthy weight. I can't stress more on this, but both underweight and overweight is going to cause a number of health issues like diabetes, heart diseases. So it is very important to maintain healthy body weight. Staying physically active. The third tip is to stay physically active. It is very important that you stay physically active as long as you can to keep healthy. Fourth, prioritizing heart health. We all know that as we age, we are more prone for heart diseases. So it is important to eat more of fruits, vegetables, cut down on that smoking and alcohol to protect your heart. Fifth, concentrate on hormonal health. As we age, we go through perimenopause and menopausal transition. During this period, hot flushes, mood swings, weight gain, all these are very common. So if these are causing any hindrance in your day-to-day activity, it is important that you contact your doctor and seek out hormone replacement therapy. Sixth tip, mental health. We all know that as we age, even in India, women go through the emptiness syndrome. Once the kids leave the home for their education or after marriage, there is a lull in the home. This period, women may experience slightly low mood. Sometimes they may go through a period of depression. It is important to talk about this important state and to seek out for help. Seventh, regular health screenings. It is very important that as women, all of us seek out regular annual health checkups. This includes screening for breast cancer through mammogram, screening for cervical cancer through regular pap smears, checking your bone mineral density regularly, getting an ultrasound scan to look for the health of the abdominal organs, to check for heart health through either a TMT or a 2D echo as advised by your doctor. But regular health checkups and health screenings are very important. Eighth, prioritizing sleep. Sleep is very important. A healthy human being requires at least 7 to 8 hours of undisturbed sleep. Many women suffer from lack of sleep after certain age. They struggle to sleep even for 3 to 4 hours in a continuous way. If that is the case, it is important that you seek out a health specialist and try and manage to get that 6 to 7 hours of undisturbed sleep every day. Sarcopenia. This is one of the less spoken and less aware topics in our day-to-day life. As we know about osteopenia, that is loss of bone as we age, sarcopenia is also a reality. Women lose muscle as they age. This is more common in women than in men. So it is important that you take all the sufficient measures to protect your muscles so that you are able to walk properly, you are physically active even at an elderly age. So how do you protect your muscle? That is by taking sufficient amount of protein. You need to consume at least 1 to 1.5 grams of protein every day. So if you are a 60 kg adult, you need to take at least 60 to 75 grams of protein every day. You can prioritize plant protein, which includes soya, sprouts, nuts, and also take lean animal protein such as eggs, chicken and fish. Last, try to avoid processed foods, inflammatory foods which increase the damage to the body. Instead, try to consume more of a regular balanced diet which is rich in omega-3 fatty acids that helps the body recover well. So by taking all these measures, all the women can age healthily and in a graceful way. Thank you.